If you are in the government contracting space and you want to know how to succeed in the government market, this video is exactly for you, because we're going to break down step by step exactly how you can succeed with government contracting. My name is Desmond Acha, founder of USA Contract Solutions, where we specialize in helping businesses win government contracts. I make these videos because there's a lot of people out there that don't know how to win government contracts, and I want to help you win government contracts. So how to succeed in government contracting, right? It really comes down to three things, okay? Literally, success comes down to three different things. Master these three different things right here, and you will literally make as much money as possible, okay? Literally, master these three things. The first one, provide value, okay? You must provide value if you really want to succeed in any kind of business, whether it's government contracting or in the commercial space or in the residential space. You need to provide value, okay? And your value that you provide is really based on your unique value proposition. Like, what value are you adding to the marketplace? Like, why you and not somebody else? Like, what makes you different, okay? What is your value proposition? Why should I literally give you $100 million contract, to deliver what you do? Why? Like, why? Please answer that. Why me? Okay, why you? What is your value proposition? That's the first thing. The second thing is, right, following the rules, okay? Especially in government contracting, it's all about processes in the government market. So you need to follow the rules if you truly want to succeed in the government space, because if you don't follow the rules, you will be debarred, you will lose government contracts, and you will fail long term, right? So you need to follow the rules to ensure that your success is not crippled because you did not follow the rules and you got caught, okay? That's the second thing. And the third thing, right, the most important one of all, okay, you must build relationships. That's it. You must build relationships, because relationships are going to open doors for you that money can't open, right? So you need to build relationships. Master those three things and you will succeed indefinitely, right? So you need to provide value, follow the rules, and build the right relationships, okay? Those three things all go hand in hand because they all build on each other, right? So let's first talk about providing value, right? In any business venture, you need to provide value so people can exchange your hard-earned money, right, with you, right? And the government is no different, okay? You need to have a great value proposition if you truly want to succeed in the government space, right? Like I said, why you and not somebody else that's probably more experienced, right? Has more resources, has more capacity, has the funds to do the job. Like, what sets you apart, okay? What sets you apart? Like, you need to have a value proposition if you truly want to succeed in the government space. And it can't just be we are the lowest price. No, right? The lowest price always goes out of business, right? The person at the lowest price always ends up out of business. You need to provide value. That way you can always ask for better, a better price, right? So the question is, what is your value proposition, right? The second way to succeed in the government space is to know the rules, okay? Everything about government contracting is in the rule book, okay? And the rule book is the FAR if you're doing federal contracting, right? Individual states have their own rules, so go to your state's website and do some research on your state and learn how they do business, right? But you really need to understand, like the rules of government contracting, okay? Like, study the rules and speak their language and know how to do business with them. And remember, 80% of contracting is all about rules and processes, okay? 80% of government contracting is all about following the rules and processes, okay? The other 20% is based on your relationship, right? That's why relationship really matter, because if you simply follow the rules, right, and you know who the people are, who know who your buyers are, right, providing value is not the easy part, right? Either you provide your own value as a contractor, or you're providing value as a consultant and bringing these companies, to the clients, or you're reselling products, and your value proposition is your ability to source products for the government, right? So value proposition can be borrowed. You can borrow some value proposition. You can literally call it, hey Desmond, I need your value over here. My contracting officer needs it, right? Now, you valued more because you brokered that deal. You see what I'm saying? You don't always have to be the person winning the contract. You can be simply the person that's brokering their relationship. You see what I'm saying? But if you have the relationship with the people that are making the decisions and you follow the rules, well, guess what? You're not a value add to them because you can always go find the value for them. I hope that makes sense, okay? So essentially, you need to know the rules of the game. That's it, right? If you want to succeed in any game that you play, you must know the rules. Like, prime example, right? Uno, right? Everybody has different rules for Uno. Everybody got different rules, right? So what are the true rules? That's how the commercial space is. Everybody got their own rules. You never know what the rules are playing with, right? Now, a game like Monopoly, right? The rules are set in stone. Follow the rules and you win. You see what I'm saying? So you need to essentially know the rules of the game if you truly want to succeed. And Uno is a great game, right? Everybody got their own rules, but it's a great game. Don't go creating your own rules. You will fail, right? You need to have a general standard of rules that everybody follows and abides to to succeed in that particular game, and that's what government contracting is. So know the rules and know your value proposition. Hey, real quick, please like the video. I'm begging you, just please like the video. It takes literally 3 seconds to do. Look at that, you're already done. Thank you very much. Just press the like button right there. Like the video. Thank you. Appreciate you so much. Thank you. Now, the last thing is, right, build the right relationships, okay? You need to have relationships if you truly want to succeed, okay? You cannot do it yourself. You need to partner with other companies, right? Other individuals, find different agencies, right? Literally, you need to build relationships if you truly want to succeed, because relationships is literally currency, right? So you need to follow the rules, know who your buyers, and build solid relationships, because those relationships are going to help you more than money can, okay? Literally, it will help you more than money can. So go build the right relationships, right? And follow the rules. If you know who the buyers are, you have a relationship with them, and you follow the rules, providing value is the easy part. That's literally the easy part, right? Because if I can't do it, I can find somebody that can and bring them to you, and guess what? Now you appreciate me for helping you out. You see what I'm saying? The same thing, it has to be reciprocal. Any kind of transaction has to be reciprocal. I give, you give, right? Not me giving, and you just receiving all the time. That is not fair, right? The same goes with government contracting. The government's gonna give you a contract, your job is to deliver something back in return, right? It has to be a reciprocal relationship, okay guys? So remember this. 3 rules to succeed in the government space. Number 1, provide value. So first, provide value. Figure out what your value proposition is. If you're a contractor, good. If you're a consultant, great. If you're a reseller, great. If you're providing value as a contractor, your value proposition is what you currently do. As a consultant, right, your value proposition is the client that you're representing, what they do, right? And if you're reselling, your value proposition is the ability to source products for the government at the best price, right? That's it. So first, provide value. 2, know the rules. You need to understand the rules of the game. If you're doing federal contracting, know the FAR. Follow the rules in the FAR. If you're doing state contracting, follow your state rules, right? If you're doing commercial, make them up as you go, right? But you need to follow the rules. And the last thing is building relationships, okay? You need to build relationships with whoever you're doing business with, whether it's the government, whether it's another company, but you need to build those relationships, because those will open more doors for you. And if you simply have the right relationships and you follow the rules, guess what? You can always find the value. You see what I'm saying? You can always find a way to add value to the relationship, okay guys? So hope this video made sense and gave you tremendous value, right? I always try to provide value in all my videos. If you got some kind of value from this, please like the video. Honestly, that's your payment, right? Your fee is to like the video. So please like the video. I really appreciate you guys. If you have any questions, you have comments, concerns, put them in the comments below. Again, we make these videos because a lot of people don't know how to win government contracts, and I don't want it to be you, so I make these videos to help you out, okay? So if you need any help as far as winning government contracts, description below, got some links down there for you. Got some trainings, GovCon University, we teach you everything about winning government contracts. It's all there in the link below. With that being said, hope you got some value. Like the video. Peace.